Hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by today. I hope you'll enjoy my video. Today I'm going to be altering a playing card. This is the month-long challenge at Facebook group Junk Journals and Creative Visions. Every day they are giving us 2 prompts to alter a card by. You can make both cards, you can make one card, you can combine them and make one card. So today I am working on May 10th. I'm almost caught up because today's the 12th. Today's prompts are Trust Your Gut, which I cannot remember what that was about, or bird watching. So we're doing bird watching. So I have this is my cards that I'm using for this. I'm decorating the back of them because I accidentally did in the first one. And then these are my birds that I'm going to use. They are black-throated honey guide. I don't know, I thought they were pretty. I got stuff. This isn't my first video, so I got glue and ink on me. My first video I got, oh my goodness, you can still see the blue. Yes. So I have a pile of stuff here that I thought I would just choose from to put on here and do some collaging. I think I might just cover it first and then collage from there. I won't use nearly all of this, but I couldn't decide what, so I just put a bunch of stuff out. And I'm just going to collage and then put my little birds on top. If I can get some glue out of here, I am. Maybe. I've gotten really bad about just grabbing this glue again. I've got to keep using the other stuff, but that is the glue I like. This side has ink and stuff on it, but that's okay. It'll be okay. I'll probably cover most of it up anyway. I just went through my little baskets that I use for collage and took out a bunch of neutral and a couple of patterns. Looks like I got glue on the back of my card. I better get that rubbed off. There we go. Before it causes me some trouble. Alright, I'm going to set these little guys over here so that I can ink this up here. Alright, and then, let's see, I have some music paper that I wouldn't mind getting on there. How about just a wee little bit. I like this one because it's small. And we'll put that right in there somewhere, but we'll see what else. I've got this that's kind of yellow, but I've also got this, so I think we'll probably use this. This looks like a tag, but that's okay. Not a big deal. Let's tear it like this. Let's put it right here. I'll put it a little bit below so I can cut off part of it there. And then we'll put this maybe right there somewhere. Now what else? I have this that I really like. It's just a piece of wallpaper. I'm sorry, I'm having massive wrist problems today, so sometimes I go to use my wrist and it's just not going to do what I want it to. Let's put this one right here. I got my shoulder taken care of with a shot and it's not hurting, so now of course my wrist is going to hurt. Something's got to, you know. Okay, and then I don't think I'm going to use that because that's just too Oh, I think that was the side I pulled anyway, but still. Plus, that is actually the same paper I used on the back. I like this one. I'm going to tear it down to the number and then actually tear that number off. And I'm not sure. I think let's tear it right here and then tear it right there, possibly. Alright, and then I don't need that. That's music paper. I guess I need to put some of this down, some more of this down. And I need to cut that off. I'm going to use my sticky scissors because there's a lot of glue still on that. A lot of wet glue. Alright, there we go. Okay, and then I could put this like right there. Yep, let's do that. I might have to quit after this one because my wrist is really not working. Okay, and I don't want to forget that I have the birds' names here. Or what they are, you know. Don't want to forget that. Oh, I have some of this. I don't know. I might be happy with it the way it is. Maybe put that up there. Okay. Let's see. How do they look? And where did I put their names? I think I just shoot it off to the side. No, this is not going to work. I need something right there. Because unless I scoot them over, which I could scoot them over. I didn't like it. I don't know if you can see what I mean, but look between them. I don't like that, but if I scoot it like this, then that looks much better. So that would work for me. I think I'll put them down. Where's my tweezers? Maybe that'll help. Excuse me. And I just remembered I wanted to put a little bit of stuff behind them. Oh boy. Okay, so I have this. I cannot remember what this was called. It's kind of like drywall, but it came in a rolled up package for scrapbooking back in the day. Trying to figure out. I think I will just... And this is sticky, but it's not very sticky because this is very old. And it's got stuff stuck to it, fuzz and stuff, but I thought I would use it. I was cleaning a basket out and I came across it and I thought, you know, I ought to use that. How about I use it today? Now, I'm gonna put that right there. And let's see. This is my little thing of laces and trims and stuff like that. And this is the one. Nope, that's not it. There's one in here that I just kind of cut off the, at least I thought there was. No, these are, maybe I have the wrong bag. Here, I think this is it. Yeah, that's it. So we will just put some somewhere, I'm not sure, maybe right there. Oh, that would look really cool, wouldn't it? Okay, let's just cut it right there. And then my tweezers have too much adhesive on them. Alright, put this right here. I have so much blue on me from that last project. Okay, and then I'm just going to cut a little bit of this. Just a little here. Put it somewhere. Maybe, or maybe right. I'm in trouble with it. There is where I want it, if I can just get it. The other side looks more aged, so we'll glue this side. I don't know why I had to turn it. I could have just turned my tweezers, couldn't I? Okay, and then I'm going to put it right here. I'm kind of meeting it up with where the branch that bird is on ends. Now we have put that right there, or right there. I like it right there, I think. Okay. I had it right here, didn't I? Forgot where I had it. Alright. Let's put a little bit of ink right there and right there. And I think this is it. This is my bird watching. Thank you for joining me. You have a blessed day. I'll see you soon.